Everyone, Extreme Crypto here. As you all know, about 10 weeks ago, I started the ultimate challenge to see how long it's going to take me to turn $5,000 into one Bitcoin. As you can see, the series has been going. We started at number 1. We've done 9 updates already. And today it's going to be the 10th update. If you missed this series on how I'm increasing my crypto and my Bitcoin, make sure to go have a look at the playlist. The opportunities are endless. I've been using the BITSGAP GRIDTRADING bot, all-in-one trading platform for your Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. The bot is trading crypto against crypto, so the main focus is to increase your crypto over time. Yes, you can devalue if the market drops, but at least your crypto will keep on growing. So let's see, how's it looking? Currently, I'm using KubeCoin for this challenge. Got 5 coins going, and they're just growing and growing. As you can see, this one almost ran out of grids, but it did extremely well. Look at BNB, made a massive spike out of the grids, came back in, and just kept on gaining profits. XRP, what's gonna happen? Is the court case gonna come to a settlement? Are they gonna win? Will XRP rocket to $4? That's the predictions that's out there. Cardano, waiting on the 12th and the 20th of September. Will the contracts be launched? Will this be the start of the Ethereum killer, as they call it? Or will it just be another coin sitting down at the bottom? Ethereum been running like mad, but the only thing pulling it back currently, in my opinion, is the gas fees. And due to the high gas fees, it's been troubling. As you can see, started down low, but having the trailing up on been working extremely well. No complaints. Now let's see, how's the standing of the current account? Currently, we're standing on 0.158 Bitcoin. When we started this challenge, we started with 0.143 Bitcoin. And we started with a value of $5,000, which is currently on $8,200. So let's go to the trading account. Do we have any additional funds to add? Yes. We got quite a bit of Bitcoin we can accumulate, BNB, and a bit of ETH. The KuCoin coin, I'm just leaving that as it is to pay a discounted fee on all my trades. So let's start by putting the BNB and the Ethereum back to Bitcoin. And then we'll go to the longest lasting coin and we'll compound it. By compounding, I'm making my trade sizes bigger and bigger. And this gives me the opportunity to reach my goal faster. How long do you think it's going to take me? Leave me a comment or a like. Tell me, will I ever reach it or will I not? I'm pretty sure I'll reach it. Just waiting to see when it's going to happen. Market. Go, all the BNB is sold back to Bitcoin. Now just selling all the Ethereum back to Bitcoin so we can compound. Ethereum trade BTC. This is pretty unique way, and due to the fact with the grid trading bots, we're able to trade crypto to crypto. Means over the long run we're going to keep on increasing our crypto. Yes, you can devalue in your fiat wallet, but that's due to the market price that comes down. But over the long run, you should be able to keep on increasing your Bitcoin. Right, all our crypto, bigger amounts, is back into Bitcoin. So we have an option of upgrading or compounding with over $300 more or less. Let's go back. As we can see, the oldest one It's Ethereum, Bitcoin. 1 month and 8 days it's been running for. So all I'm going to do is my grid levels is on 0.42%, 50 grids. And the top line is due to the fact that it moved up and the trailing stopped, went above. This amount was where we started the settings. So now I'm just going to write down my top lines value because I want to start my grids from the same mark, 0.08237. Right, 7. Copy that. Then I'm going to stop this bot and restart it. I'm stopping it, canceling all the open orders. So after the bot is cancelled, I will have Bitcoin and Ethereum available. The bot is cancelled. As we go back to Qcoin, we'll see our Bitcoin amount as well as our Ethereum amount in the available sections increasing. Ethereum is still a little bit in orders. Wait for that to finish up. Anything in orders? Nothing in orders left. Then we can go back to Bitcoin. So we got our grids going. As we can see, the upper price is exactly where we want it. I use 50 grids and the grid percentage was on 0.42. Just putting it back, same amount it was prior cancelling the bot. .42, 50 grids. I'm maxing it out, every penny available, and I'll start it. Say yes, and the bot will start. So I've used this week's profit of over $300, combined it, and now I've compounded the Ethereum Bitcoin pair, making it bigger. By compounding means my trades are getting bigger, and as my trades getting bigger and bigger, it gives me the opportunity to reach my goal of 1 Bitcoin faster and faster. As you can see, the grids has been placed, coming back in, wait for the bot to get started again. All the lines is in, will say bot started and will be on its way yet again. It's bot started. There we go. Our Ethereum Bitcoin bot started again. We go back. We can see the prior value was $1,478 and the new value $1,695. So yes, I did compound and did increase. We go back to our wallet section. We'll see a small amount of Bitcoin left due to the fact that Bitsgap use a 5% leverage just to make sure everything comes and falls in place. $87 remaining, but the main focus is we got another bot compounded or pair. It's growing again. What do you think? Leave me your comments and concerns, and even options of better strategies than what I'm currently using. I'm willing to look at anything which can help me improve. And how long do you think it's going to take me to reach my goal of 1 Bitcoin using the BITSGAP grid trading bot? Overall, people's been asking me, I'm not doing it just on Qcoin. I'm trading on FTX, Binance, Bittrex, and Kraken using the bots as well, with great success. Qcoin is the only one I'm not withdrawing from because I've set myself the goal to see how long it's going to take us to reach 1 Bitcoin. We're well underway, over 10% up in just the crypto side. over 50% up in the value side. We got in at the right time, saw a small bull market. Join the channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Stay updated. Have a great one. Take care.